This is a functional validation test of the original general time movement for the 1969-1970 internally mounted instrument cluster clock. I'll go ahead and initiate power. And you can see how I've gone ahead and actuated it. And this is the incremental movement of the second hand as opposed to a sweep. That's the original period correct design for the solid state general time movement. This unit has been completely disassembled, cleaned, and relubricated. There you can see the original general time movement. This is a beautiful faceplate and the beautiful bezel that is available as well as part of a restored full encasement. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac. Thank you very kindly.